Hi everyone, it's Katina Johnson again with another tutorial. Today I will be doing a very basic dream catcher tutorial. For this you will need a stick or a dowel or a chopstick so you can wrap your very thin and strong sock yarn or string around it. This will create something like this. So this will make it very easy to do and complete your dream catcher, and it's pretty important. So take the time and ravel away. You will also need some wire. You can get this at any kind of hardware store or craft store. It's a thicker wire. It's bendable, it's flexible, but the best part is it's in this circle. With the wire cutters, you can use masking tape to close off the ends for where they meet, and also one in the center. This will stabilize it, so when you're wrapping it with your fabric strips or yarn, or even an old t-shirt that you cut up in strips, use some hot glue and secure the end and then wrap it tightly around. And then you can start with the whole process of weaving it through and knotting. So without further ado, I'm going to start this video, and I hope you all enjoy and make a really fantastic dream catcher. As you can see, I have used the masking tape to secure the wire to make it steady. I put it in 3 different places, however you can put as many pieces of tape as you would like. Here is the threading cord or the sock yarn and the fabric I will be using. I found these strips of fabric at a craft store on clearance. You can use anything, whether that's pillowcases, bed sheets, or t-shirts. As you can see here, I'm putting it through the wire, and that is when I'm going to start wrapping. I will secure this with a few dots of hot glue towards the end, but as you can see, it just goes around, and I suggest bundling up the fabric so it is easier to do the winding process. After you are done wrapping your circle frame, you'll take whatever you decided to use as string and begin to find a spot to tie it. I will be tying this 3 to 4 times to make sure it is really secure, because I don't want it slipping, sliding, or coming undone. Trim the extra string and secure the knot with some glue. You can use craft glue or hot glue. To begin your dream catcher, you will put it through your hoop, down and under. Then you're going to bring it forward and pull it through. Also, when you're pulling it taut, make sure it stays in the anchored spot you would like it to be in. It will create a little space of string, as you can see, and you'll continue this around the entire hoop.
So then, why?
Once you are completed with the first round of putting it through the loop, down, and then through the string you're holding, you're going to do that all the way around the loop until you feel satisfied with how it looks. This is what my piece looks like so far. I can go further, I can add more detail, but I'll stop here. And now I'm going to add some further detail. I'm going to add some yarn to the bottom half of the hoop in a tiered length. So the middle piece will be the longest piece, and the two outer pieces, the outlier pieces, will be shorter. I will be doing a loop technique to knot onto the dream catcher. If you're curious on how to do that, or for a better demonstration, you can check out my DIY moon phase wall hanging. As you can see, I drape the loop part of my yarn over the hoop. I pull the tail end through the loop and I pull it taut. I decided to add some extra detail by adding some ribbon. This is a white satin ribbon, and I thought it would look really great with the blues, the whites, and the pinks. I will now straighten out the yarn and the ribbon and try to get it as straight as I can, because I will be trimming all this yarn and all this ribbon into a V shape to make it look neater and more appealing. I'm going to use some of that white ribbon to tie up top to make it hangable on a wall. I just use 2 to 3 knots and I tie it really tightly to secure it, and I cut the ribbon close to the knot. Your dream catcher is now complete, and if you'd like to see more great content, come and visit us on our other social media platforms.